Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now first thing, I just would like to have your opinion. If you can see some change in background, just let me know how is the background, is it soothing to that? Not exactly soothing, it is like properly the background, or you want me to change the background and again come on the original white background. I need first suggestion on that. Second is just a disclaimer. If you can see some stains on the background, then please excuse me, because there is some work right now going on at my place and the workers and everybody has already stained the furniture and all. So that is why, and I tried to remove it, but due to lack of time, I am running right now actually short of time. It is almost very late in the night, and that is why I was not having much time. So I just left it that way only, and don't think I am a mashy or bushy woman. No, I like my house and everything to be very clean, but don't take this into consideration, and if you can, then please, I'm extremely sorry for it. Right now, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit idea. Do you have heard about a pit cream, body deodorizing pit cream? No, right? Even I was not aware. What exactly do you mean by pit cream? So what I did, I went ahead and got two new launches from Plum. This is the box. This is not at all a sponsored video. I got this product by my own money. Let me be very clear for it. And it came in this kind of wrapping. I think I don't have to show you everything. And this is their body loving range. In the body loving range, I'll show you the packaging and everything, but in this particular body loving range, they have shower gels, they have body mist, and I have already done 2 to 3 different videos on their body mist. I'll try to link that video one by one in the iCard, as well as it will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check if you have not watched that video. So in that particular like body loving range only, they have extended their range and they have come up with two different kinds of pit cream. Right, first is vanilla vibes. The packaging of the pit cream is like this, vanilla vibes, and the fragrance or the flavor or the variant is written over here. You all can see vanilla vibes, right? And the second one is like this, Plum body loving. What is the written? Plum body loving deodorizing pit cream. That is what is written. You all can see, right? And over here they have the variant or the fragrance or the whatever you call, right? It is Hawaiian Rumba. They have come up with two different kind of variants. You all can see side by side. Right, and Plum is a vegan, cruelty-free brand. So everything I think you know. Once you open the packaging, the shelf life of this particular cream is 6 months, and the net content what you get in this, everything is given over here. Like the MRP is 345 rupees, but when I ordered it from Plum's website, they were having some new launch, that is the offer 15% off. So I got this particular product I think on 293 or maybe 295 rupees, I'm not sure, but somewhere near that particular range. The net content in each tub is 50 grams. Okay, everything is mentioned over here. If you check the box, each and every details they have given very clearly, like what it contains, how it is, like everything. Like it is love that body, breathe and breathe, like everything. Caution, patch test is recommended for safety. You just have to do a patch test. How it is used, like scoop out the pea-sized amount with the spatula and massage it on the clean and dry pits. You have to apply it on your clean and dry pits, preferably after taking your bath. I will suggest you, because I have done the same way. After taking bath, clear, like you can pat dry the armpits and all, and then take a pea-size amount and just massage it in your armpits. Okay, and they have given you all the disclaimers and everything. I'll just come up with everything. I'll just tell you each and everything. The manufacturing is May 21, you all can see. Okay, the shelf life of basically the product is April 23, that is for 21, 22, 22 years. But once you open the tub, it is for good for 6 months. Right, so just keep that thing in mind. This is like 1% they donate to planet Earth and everything, 100% vegan, cruelty free brand. So definitely, and whatever, suppose if you have any recyclable packaging of theirs, that is if you have any particular product from Plum, you can give it back for recycling. They will give you some points in your account. Okay, the packaging, like when you see the packaging, it is opening like this kind of, I'll show you. They have this kind of packaging. You just have to open it like this, and here you have the particular cream. what I'll do is I'll just open both the creams for you and then I'll show you the tubs side by side. This is for Hawaiian Rumba, the inner packaging. It actually matches with their outer packaging. So this is the Hawaiian Rumba and this one is for Vanilla Vibes. Right, and with this particular packaging, you do get this kind of tinu spatula with each and every packaging. So I have ordered 2, so I got 2 spatulas. Right, when I got this particular pit cream, there was some offer going on. Like if you buy any pit cream or something, you will get this kind of this is 99 rupees MRP. This is Plum Body Loving Gel Body Scrub. This is in the Divine Me Cherry fragrance, and I'll just tell you because I don't know the net content in this. 25 grams. So I got basically 2 because I got 2 this pit cream, so I got 2 small tub. As I told you, they have body loving range. In this they have this cherry Divine Me Cherry body scrub. So it is like sealed with the cap and everything. We are not going to talk much about this because this video is not for this. This is for pit cream. Now what I did in the morning, I got this parcel yesterday. I have already tried once both the pit creams. Then what I did, on one armpit I had tried one, and on the other armpit I tried another, because I wanted to see which kind of fragrance lingers for how much time, which is more saturated with the fragrance and all. Then let me tell you, this both are very mild fragrance. So if you are thinking that this will stop your body odor or this will stop your sweating, then no, absolutely not. This is not going to stop your sweating. This is basically not made for that. This is basically just an like we use the roll-on deos or something. This is kind of a substitute, but not totally substitute, because this fragrance they have already mentioned on their website or on the app. This fragrance will stay longer for stay put on for longer time. It will like maybe 2 to 3 hours, and again that too depends on the body odor. I do not sweat more, I do not have body odor or something. For me it lasted a little bit longer, but for you the result may vary body to body, and it depends on person to person. So that is why if you are sweating more, then the result may vary. I am sweating less, so for me the result is less. Now I'll just tell you 2 important things what they have specified on their website, because it is very important. This underarm, I have already this is my phone and I'm just reading it from this because I don't want to miss out any point. This underarm cream is not to be confused with antiperspirants that block sweat. As I told you, sweating is cool, literally. It's how your body cools down and deoxifies. So that is perfectly okay. If you are sweating more, then there is nothing to worry or nothing wrong. It is like basically to make your body cool down. Sweating is basically that, and you all are aware of it, right? And the second thing what they have included is, while it contains a soothing fragrance, it doesn't last for long. That is what I told you. And it's not an alternative for body mist and perfumes. So feel free to use your favorite fragrances the way you are currently doing. Of course, you can substitute it with your body deodorizer. But if you are after using deodorant, if you are using body mist or something for a particular brand or something, definitely you can continue, or you can use that also. And if you are pairing this with their original body mist, then the fragrance will last little bit longer, because you are teaming up with the particular fragrance. I think you got my point, right? And as I told you, right now also it is retailing for 293 rupees till the offer is going on. And this is I'll just show you. I have not shown you the packaging. You just have a black cap. You just have to, and this comes like this sealed. Now you all say you have not opened. As I tell you every time, I do not open fully, and you all can see I have already used it. Since I am the only one who is going to use it, I tried to take it from my hand also. I wanted to feel the texture, and I wanted to see how I can dig into the tub. So I took it with my hand only. One I used with my hand, and the other one I digged it with the scoop. So I wanted to see the difference. So this I have digged with my hand only. You all can see this is I'll just take a little bit again and I'll show you. I've just taken little bit. You have to take little bit more on for your armpits, but I'm here just showing you the texture of one, because there is no difference in the texture. Both the pit creams texture is same. There is no difference. So I'll just show you over here. You all can see and I'll just try to rub also. It is very smooth, like you cannot feel any kind of harsh or anything. It's very smooth and like buttery. So if you are applying on your sensitive skin like your underarms, then also you won't feel any kind of harshness or anything on your armpits. And let me tell you, it right now you will say, Meghna, it is looking oily or something, then our clothes, no, your clothes will not stain. This will be there for only 2 to 3 minutes. After that your skin will soak up and your skin will not feel kind of oiliness or greasiness, because I have already used it, right? So this is the texture right now, and of course the fragrance is too mild and it is too soothing to your nose also. Hawaiian Rumba, this is Vanilla Vibes. It literally smells like, for me it literally smells like vanilla ice cream, as if I'm eating some vanilla ice cream. And for me, Hawaiian Rumba fragrance is like giving me some beachy vibes, like I'm at the beach, moving here and there, roaming here and there, and it is giving me that kind of vibes. You can see I've already used this also. It is giving me that fresh fragrance of beach and all. Like, I think you got my point, because whatever I want to make you understand, I think you got my point. And suppose if you want to throw away this packaging, you can definitely, because the manufacturing expiry, batch code and everything is given on the back side also. Here they have given you each and every detail, as well as the fragrance is also mentioned over here. So in any case, from the box also, from the tub also, you can easily make out. I think I have covered each and every point, and definitely don't forget to use my referral code on Plum's website. I'll give you my referral code in the description box, as well as it will be pinned in the comment section, and if possible I'll give you on the screen also. If you will use my referral code, you will get some discount on Plum's own website, that is Plum's direct website. That code will not work on any other website, right? And I think it is order free, clean and fresh smelling armpits for 12 plus hours. Definitely it will be like, the fragrance will not linger for 12 plus hours. Let me tell you, it will be there for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, it's aluminum and baking soda free. That one point you have to keep in mind. Underarm deodorant cream, no white cast, as I shown you. It doesn't leave any white cast, no toxic buildup. There's no toxic buildup with your sweats and all. If it mixes with your sweat also, it will not create any harm. A fragrance that will get your pits smelling like yum cupcake. As I told you, this is Vanilla Vibes yum cupcakes. Free cutesy spatula. That's it. And I think basically I have covered each and every point. Still, if you have any other query or any other point to ask me, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can message me or DM me on Instagram also if you have any other query related to any product or any particular this product. Anything you can ask me on Instagram. And I think I'll be wrapping up for today. If you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed, don't wait for anything. I have lot of new launches videos right now also coming up, because I have lot of things which have already ordered. They are coming one by one, and I'm doing each and every review, as well as whatever demo or whatever is possible right now. I am trying to do each and everything on my channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, this subscription will not cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make more such videos. And like, as you all know, I get each and everything by my own money. So please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.